Hello, welcome back to another piano tutorial. Today we'll be learning Shine by Collective Soul. This song, I recently heard on the radio and I forgot how much I love this song. It is a simple 3-chord rock song that anyone can learn, whether it's on guitar or piano or whatever it is, and we're going to start right now. Like I said, I'm going to play the intro for you guys. The intro is going to show you all 3 chords, and it's also going to be the chord progression for the solo and the chorus as well, so let's get into it. See, there's only 3 chords. It's a pretty easy rock song to play. Anyone can really learn it, and it's in a different key though. It's in C sharp major, and you're thinking, wow, it's a lot of sharps. Or if you know what C sharp major is, don't worry. It's the same key as D flat major if you're comfortable with learning in that key. But with the way the chords work, it's not gonna be the same chords. But we'll figure it out. It's C sharp major, and that's your first chord actually. It's a C sharp major chord. Oh. So you have C sharp, E sharp, and G sharp in your left hand, and that's going to play for 8 beats or 8 counts. So you go 7, 8. So you play that chord for 8 beats. While on top of that, you're going to play this melody, and the letters will be in the top screen in the black box, just like usual, but I'm not going to say it because there's a lot of back and forth. It'll be in the top screen. You're going to play that over all 8 beats of the C sharp major chord. So we're going to do that slowly right now, and then we're going to go into the next chord. That's your 8 beats, and then you switch to a B major chord. And that's the end of the melody, so. It's a B major chord. You have B, D sharp, and F sharp in your left hand, and the rest of the melody just goes from D sharp to C sharp. And you play this chord for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 beats, you're going to play this F sharp major chord, which is F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp in your left hand, and then just complete the melody. It's the same thing. So. And that chord progression is the same for the verse, the intro, and I believe the guitar solo, but I'm going to make sure on that. It should be it. Alright, so we're going to play that slowly again, all 3 chords all together. If you don't want to play the melody in your right hand at all, just play the same chord in your right hand as in your left hand. So just to make it, I guess, easier on yourself so you can sing it. But if you're not singing it, it's just there's no point in... Well, if you're going to sing it, there's no point in playing the melody, I guess. But here we go. B major, back to F sharp major, then back to the beginning, C sharp major, then B major, F sharp major. There you go. Now this is the point in the video where I know you guys are going to be like, oh, how do you play that cool bass / guitar lick? And it plays like this. So. So that's the bass / guitar riff I was talking about earlier. And there's no chords to go over, it's just the bass note or whatever the guitar is playing, and you have this thing. So Alright, so that was the cool lick that's in the song, which I honestly think makes the song so much better. So you're starting with C sharp, right? And you have 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Going to that F sharp. And the same thing, almost. 1, 2, and E, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. So on the 3 and 4, going from the F sharp to the G. And the same thing repeats itself. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Repeat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And then you get into the chorus, which sounds like this. So you have the same 3 chords again. You have the C sharp major chord, the B major chord, and the F sharp major chord, but they're just played differently. So your first chord is the B major, like we said before, and you're playing it for 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3, 4, or on beat 3, I should say, you're going to this F sharp major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to this C sharp major chord, right? 3, 4. Repeating it. So F, C sharp major, B major, F major, C sharp major. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, leave a like, drop a comment to know what I can do next on this channel. I have a new video coming out sometime this week. It's going to be different than my usual piano tutorials. It's going to be about music theory. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you want to see that, leave a like. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.